guys. Today will be my fire alarm collection. Okay, here we go. First off, I have my PG-12. Next up, we have my Wheelock AS horn strobe. Next, we have my Wheelock ET speaker strobe. And next, we have my EST Genesis horn strobe. And next off, we have this is the mounting plate for my system sensor Spectral Advanced. It's called a Scroot. And next up, we have my system sensor Spectral Alert Advanced. It's actually a mounting plate for it, you see. You can put it on and off. Next up, we have my kitty talking smoke detector. It doesn't work anymore, it's broken. And next we have my my 2 carbon monoxide detectors. And next we have my kitty smoke detector. And next we have my another kitty smoke detector. It's broken. And last but not least, temperature carbon monoxide detector. When you press the peak level, it says the temperature. It says 13. Yep. There we go. See my fire alarm collection? Let me reset the pull station. Here we go. Here's my fire alarm collection. You see it? Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.